Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be driving some of my RC cars with my friend Xander. Xander, say hello. Do it again.
What?
Say hi. Alright, so today we're going to be driving these RC cars, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so where should I put this? Well, I gotta turn this on. Say hello. Say hello to the people.
Hi.
Okay.
Turn it on.
So, Aiden, if you're watching this video, and if you're wondering who Xander is, that's gonna be on our soccer team, this is who he is. So, yeah. Oh, God. This thing's having some trouble. Alright. I don't need to see that. Ah, that's crazy. I need to get my RC car over here. Here, Xander.
Hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
And what?
And just, like, talk to it, or, like, show them stuff. So this thing... Boo! Boo, boo, boo! You suck! Oh, God, You suck! What do you need to do? I can help you. Get my RC car over here. But it's stuck. You take this. Take this. Take this. Take it. Oh, I almost dropped it. Here.
Like switch?
No. Just get the thing out. Get the RC car off there. All right. So guys, this is my house.
Humongous. Well, not that big.
There's the house. All right. Ow! Stepped on a rock. And that window in there, that's my room. So yeah, that's basketball hoop, RC cars, just like roaming around in here. Okay. Yeah. It's a pretty decent sized house. It's pretty fun. And he got stuck. Rock roller. Alright. So, yeah. Alright, where's the other remote?
Right there.
Oh.
Am I going to drive this?
Let's see.
Go forward.
Turn. Oh! I can't. Oh, God! It's stuck.
Loser.
Look, it's stuck on it. Alright. Hold on, I'm trying to find a good place for you guys to see this. But I
did a rampage.
This is terrible, isn't it? You want it to be like... Let me see that real quick.
I'm gonna use this for like a ramp.
Oh, shoot.
Wait, I can see you.
This should be like that, maybe?
I want to try to like.
No, because then if we're... There's not... Hold on. That's safe.
When my seat I'll help you. Oh, you gotta be backside and stuff too. This is bad.
Guys, I don't know if you guys can see us or anything. Yeah. So then, I'm gonna.
Let's move it, Dad.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Xander, drive your car around like right here.
I'm gonna move it, Dad. Right here. Try to leave no space. need to charge it for longer. That's dead. Alright, guys. Wait, no, it isn't. Look at it, Mitch. Ooh. Don't turn. Drive your car around here. Hey, someone.
So,
Turn music.
I know. Switch. So guys, you probably can't see anything. Oh God. So you probably can't see anything. Oh God, I got stuff all over my phone.
Oh, darn. That's sad.
I'm okay. Whoa!
Ah, done.
All right, where's the other remote? Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh my God! This thing's vicious! Ah! 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 Oh my God! Whoa! Ah! Just let me live! Let me live! Ow! Ah! Stop. Wait a minute.
Oh, help me.
Alright, so guys,
You suck.
my remote control died, so I think Xander's just gonna have to chase me from now. Ow! That's what you get for doing it to me. It's just this easy. You missed. Somebody can't go on the grass. Somebody can't go up high. Catch you with the roll. Oh! You guys want to see something cool? All right, come inside. Let's go, Xander.
Hey, bring me real control.
All right, go get it.
No.
Yeah, you go get it.
I'm already inside.
Go get it, or else you're not gonna play Fortnite. Huh.
I can play first though, because you played last.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be showing you something crazy right now. Okay, so, me and my friend, Xander, the one that's up there, and he... What? Hey, could you ask, I'm going to say something, no, sorry. Alright, so you guys want to see something crazy. So me and Xander built this crazy Hot Wheels track. Look at it. This is a Hot Wheels track. We built all this track out of Hot Wheels. You see that? That is my bin of cars. And we had all the cars. We had cars filled up to here in the tote. And now there's cars way down here. We built all this with almost half of my cars.
No.
And in here, this is training. That's a little like loop-de-loop. This is also training. This is dodging training. This is another training. Let me show you how it goes. So, the cars start right here. No, I'm not waiting. The cars start right here. Then they go around over here. Don't make noises. That's just so weird. So they come around here. They go around. This is Skinny Valley. Skinny Valley. Okay? So Skinny Valley. Then they come around here.
Gotta go into that.
Then they got Skinny Valley again. Then they gotta go underneath this crane right here. Then they go around over here. Around the corner.
Loser.
Then you gotta go around here. We gotta dodge these cars in a way.
Here's a pit stop.
Dodge.
Ouch!
Pit stops aren't that quick. Then you go down. You gotta, so you just jump right there. And you land right here, and I won.
I won.
Alright, so that's the track. Sanders a poor sport, because he just said he won, but he actually lost.
I won.
No, he didn't.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I bring the motorcycle.
Well, first we need to put the stuff away right here.
Yeah. Oh, you put in the charger back.
No, I'm not putting it back on the charger.
Why don't you? You can put it in.
Because I don't want to.
Are they gonna watch us eat?
No, they're not going to watch us eat. That's just like the weirdest question ever. Or are they going to watch us eat? I would never make anybody watch us eat.
You and me watch us eat.
And then that's my drone. You probably can't see.
Sucks. Drone sucks.
No, it doesn't.
Here's the zombie we know driving.
Put it, leave it in there.
That's it. Ooh, soccer cop!
That one right there. Oh, I broke it. My car went underneath my bed! Alright, let's go eat!
Let go eat. Let go. Let go eat.
Alright, so guys,
Let go.
thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, leave a comment, and hopefully you enjoyed the video.